Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Canada Immigration. We hope you're doing great. In this video, we're going to talk about Canada visa denied. Facing a visa refusal can be daunting, but understanding your options is crucial whether you're considering studying, visiting, working, or pursuing permanent residency in Canada. There are alternative paths available to explore. If you are interested in this topic, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Visa refusals can be a significant hurdle for individuals seeking entry or residency in Canada, impacting aspirations for study, work, family reunification, or permanent residency. Whether you've encountered a recent visa refusal or are preparing for potential outcomes, understanding the steps and options available to you is crucial. This comprehensive video aims to provide clarity and strategic guidance on navigating visa refusals in Canada. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. The visa refusal process. When an application for a Canadian visa is refused, applicants receive a refusal letter outlining the grounds on which their application was denied. These grounds typically relate to specific clauses, acts, or regulations under which the officer deemed the application ineligible for approval. However, the reasons provided in the refusal letter are often high-level summaries, lacking the detailed analysis conducted by the immigration officer. Importance of Global Case Management System Notes. To gain deeper insights into the refusal decision, applicants should request their Global Case Management System Notes from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. Global Case Management System Notes provide a detailed record of the processing of your application, including the officer's analysis and rationale for a refusal. Security checks were conducted. Any identified inadmissibilities. File processing details, including which officer handled the case. Obtaining Global Case Management System Notes is the crucial first step after a visa refusal, as they reveal the exact reasons behind the decision, which can often differ significantly from the summarized reasons in the refusal letter. Options after obtaining Global Case Management System Notes. Once you have received your GCMS notes, you'll have several avenues to consider based on the findings and your specific circumstances. Reconsideration. If you have any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. Reconsideration involves submitting a request to IRCC to review your application based on errors in fact or law identified through the Global Case Management System Notes. This process allows applicants to present supplementary information or clarify misunderstandings that may have led to the refusal decision. Key aspects of reconsideration include: process, initiated through a formal request to IRCC, typically through a web form. Cost, relatively inexpensive compared to other options like an appeal. Timeline, no strict deadlines, but timely submission is advisable to maintain momentum and address any identified errors promptly. Outcome: IRCC may uphold the refusal decision or overturn it based on the merits of the additional information provided. Appeal: if reconsideration fails or if you believe there are substantial legal or factual errors in the refusal decision, appealing to the Federal Court of Canada may be necessary. Appeals are more formal and involve judicial review of the application outside the purview of IRCC. Key considerations for an appeal include: process, requires legal representation by a Canadian lawyer due to its formal nature. Cost, this can be expensive depending on the complexity of the case and legal fees. Timeline, strict deadlines apply for filing appeals, emphasizing the need for proactive planning. Outcome, the federal court assesses the application independently, potentially overturning the refusal and directing IRCC to reconsider the application. Considerations: appeals are based on presenting strong legal arguments supported by factual evidence and relevant case law. Success hinges on demonstrating errors in the application's assessment that warrant judicial intervention. Reapplication, when significant deficiencies are identified in the initial application, such as insufficient documentation or weak case presentation, reapplying with a revised and strengthened application may be the most effective strategy. Reapplication involves fresh application, complete submission of new documentation and forms, addressing deficiencies, correcting errors or addressing concerns highlighted in the GCMS notes. Strategic approach, tailoring the application to mitigate previous shortcomings and enhance chances of approval. Strategy, addressing previous deficiencies comprehensively is crucial. For instance, if the refusal cited inadequate financial documentation or lack of ties to the home country, these issues must be convincingly addressed in the reapplication. Key considerations and strategic planning. Navigating the aftermath of a visa refusal requires meticulous planning and strategic decision-making to maximize chances of success in subsequent steps. If you any query, please contact us on Instagram and Gmail. Timeline sensitivity, delays in obtaining GCMS notes, often exceeding 30 days, necessitate parallel planning for reconsideration, appeal, or reapplication to adhere to statutory deadlines. Professional guidance, consulting with an immigration professional, such as a regulated Canadian immigration consultant or lawyer, ensures adherence to legal procedures and enhances the quality of arguments presented in reconsideration or appeal. Documentary and legal merit, success in reconsideration or appeal depends on presenting compelling legal arguments supported by factual evidence and relevant case precedents. Each option, reconsideration, appeal, or reapplication, requires a tailored approach aligned with individual circumstances and the findings of the GCMS notes. Conclusion: while a visa refusal can be disheartening, it does not signify the end of your Canadian aspirations. By promptly requesting global case management system notes and carefully evaluating your options, reconsideration, appeal, or reapplication, you can effectively address the reasons for refusal and pursue a successful outcome. Professional guidance and strategic planning play pivotal roles in navigating these processes, ensuring that your next steps are well informed and purposeful. Final thoughts: each individual's case is unique, and success following a visa refusal hinges on thorough preparation, understanding of legal nuances, and strategic advocacy. By leveraging the insights provided in this guide, you can approach the aftermath of a visa refusal with clarity and confidence, aiming for a positive resolution aligned with your goals of visiting, studying, working, or settling in Canada. Navigating a visa refusal is challenging, but it doesn't mean the end of your Canadian aspirations. By exploring alternative pathways like study, visitor visas, work permits, or permanent residency options, you can still achieve your goals of living and working in Canada. That is all for today. In this video, what are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later, in the next video. Till then, take care.